400 years after Shakespeare wrote The Tempest, a comedy about betrayal, ill-treatment, magic arts and revenge. Acclaimed theatre director Abhilash Pillai presented the play Talatum in a whole new oral and visual language at the Serendipity Arts Festival in Goa.
Talatum, inspired by Shakespeare's Tempest, begins with Sycorax giving birth to Caliban on a remote island. Also stranded on the island are Prospero, the deposed Duke of Milan, a practicing magician, and his teenage daughter Miranda, who have lived in the island in exile for the past 12 years. Their only companions are Ariel and other magical spirits, as well as Caliban, a native of the island, all of whom have been enslaved by Prospero. Prospero was originally the Duke of Milan, but his position was usurped by his brother Antonio with the consent of King Alonso of Naples and Alonso's brother Sebastian. When Prospero hears of a ship bearing Antonio, Alonso and several of their retainers passing the island, he commands his spirits to stir up a great storm, the titular Tempest. He plots to have them shipwrecked on the island so he can carry out his plans to take revenge on his foes and regain his position as Duke of Milan. The play unfolds how through magic, intimidation and trickery, Prospero succeeds in his plans. He is finally restored to his dukedom, brings about the revelation of Antonio's betrayal, and secures the marriage of Miranda to King Alonso's son, Prince Ferdinand.
It's an inspiration from Shakespeare's Tempest, a text, but we are using very less verbosity in it, rather than we are going more for physical language. So we are trying to find out a visual language with a lot of physicality into it. So there's circus and theatre with magic and other elements into it. So probably the kind of vocabulary which we are using is subaltern.
Talatum, this ambitious theatre experiment that explores art practices of tribal and marginalized communities, was developed in a town only a few kilometers away from Thalassery in Kerala, the capital of the Indian circus.
Tempest has a kind of a connection with Kerala because of the sea and all those the tales which are connected, which are also something which are similar to the Kerala tales and things like that. And circus also has a kind of a base in Kerala, because Thalassery being the capital of Indian circus and Kalari being associated as the base form of Indian circus. So that's why we thought we'll bring in Tempest, because it has the connection of the sea, which Kerala has many folk tales connected with sea. And then we can have also the subaltern elements into the text. So that's how we reached into Tempest.
Owing to its interdisciplinary approach, Serendipity curators for theatre, Anuradha Kapoor and Lilette Dubey, brought Talatum from Kerala to Goa.
Abhilash has been working with circus performers, and he has had a dialogue, and he's also interested in the fact that circus as a form becomes viable as a livelihood option and a training option, like young gymnasts move into different kinds of things after a certain age. So all those were thought about, and that's one of the paths that brought Talatum here. And I think it's also about actually having a really combustive dialogue between the really subaltern and Shakespeare. In a way, you unpack all kinds of notions. So that was one of the starts.
Took the Tempest, he took Shakespeare, which we always think of as Shakespeare, and it's all very rarefied and very elitist and all that, when actually Shakespeare wrote for the Chavanni Walas, he wrote for the stall. So that's why it's got so much comedy and so many, political and very topical topical issues that he throws into it and all, because he wrote for those guys, not for the hoi polloi. But we've put Shakespeare on this big pedestal and said, so people hear Shakespeare and they already say, oh, we're not going to understand anything. So it was such a nice subversion of that for me.
Abhilash brought artists from different performance arenas across India, like circus artists, puppeteers, illusionists and theatre practitioners together on one stage in an adaptation that explored the finer nuances of circus.
Because of many rules and regulations laid by the government, circus industry had to come down, and now it's closing down and we have very less number of circus companies. But what interested me into circus was also the academics part of it, because there's a lot of physical understanding of the body, and circus is one of those art forms which comes in between sports and, like, you have gymnast, you have many other, the whole sports discipline comes into circus. So there's this whole seating in the circus tent is all about how you sit in a mini stadium or anything like that. So probably it's about performance and sports coming together, and then how do we construct a performance out of it.
This multilingual and minimally verbose take on the Tempest effectively exploited the talents of its diverse ensemble that included acrobat performers from Manipur to jugglers from Andhra Pradesh.
People have got different backgrounds. One is coming from Kathakali background, the other one is coming from Theyyam background. So Kathakali is a skill, Theyyam is a skill. They are all skills. So we kept skill to skill to skill, and we kept exploring the skills to develop this visual language.
एक्रोबेटिक करने के टाइम सिर्फ हम लोग को ये फिजिकल जोफ है, हम लोग को सिर्फ पावर और सम इंटरटेनमेंट शो है ये, और फिर ये नाटक करने के टाइम बहुत एटीट्यूड करना भी बहुत ये क्या बोलता है, माइंड बहुत चेंज होता है, और फिर हम लोग को भी बहुत स्केयर आता है, ये एक्टिंग सब बहुत करना पड़ेगा, उसके हम लोग के माइंड बहुत स्केयर आता है, उसके हम लोग भी प्रैक्टिस कर रहा है अभी, हम लोग what we can we will do it our best.
मैं बचपन से प्रैक्टिस किया था जगलिंग का आइटम, जैसे बॉम्बे में आया तो मेरे अंकल ने, पिताजी ने जो सिखाया आइटम, बॉम्बे में मैं काम करने के लिए आया, मगर मैं जो सिखाया आइटम प्रैक्टिस करते करते गणपति नवरात्रि उत्सव शो में करते हुए ऐसे स्टेज परफॉर्म करता हूँ और इवेंट शो करता हूँ। तो करते करते टीवी प्रोग्राम बहुत सारे किया हूँ और फिल्म में भी किया हूँ। अभिलाष सर से ऐसे मौका मिला तो कुछ एक्टिंग सीखने के लिए मिला, और कुछ जैसे सर्कस में मैं किया नहीं है, मगर मैं सर्कस का आइटम है, इसलिए सर्कस जोड़ के मतलब एक नाटक बना, ये नाटक में शामिल किया, उनके लिए धन्यवाद करता हूँ।
The process of creating a new performance language for this adaptation has been challenging for both the actors and the circus artists.
He is a director who's always challenged conventional norms with all his projects. He's always gone ahead and tried something, out of the box. There were some rehearsals when the circus artists had to imagine that there was something there, and they had to work around that. It was very difficult for them because they work with timing, they work with technique, and they need the material, whatever they use, they need it to be there, they need to see it. It has to be very precise. And then for the actor, when we do improvisations, you tend to get lost into this world of imagination, right? But then you're brought back to reality because you're working with the circus artists who need timing and who need us to be present at that space, or things will go wrong. So in that way, it's been an interesting compromise, as well as a new language of understanding these different bodies of the performers.
It was a strange or a new experience for me. Circus artists from Manipur, their life and their experience, their concepts, their emotional thing are totally different. And by 2 or 3 weeks, we came together and we started sharing.
The exhaustive casting process for the play provided real-life couple and professional aerial performers Tanya and Mukesh an opportunity to portray lovers Miranda and Ferdinand on stage.
पहले तो हम लोग सर्कस में बचपन से मेरा जब 7 साल की थी मैं तब से सर्कस में काम कर रही हूँ. मैंने वहीं से सीखा है.
जहाँ पे मेरा घर है उधर सर्कस आया था, तो मैं वहाँ से, मेरा कजिन को सर्कस में थे, तो उसने मुझे लाकर इधर सर्कस में लाकर डाला था.
दोनों एक्ट करते थे ना, तो एक दूसरे को देखते थे, तो उन्होंने पूछ लिया एक दिन मुझसे शादी करोगे. मैंने बोला कि मेरे पेरेंट्स से पूछना पड़ेगा, तो उन्होंने पूछ लिया. थोड़े दिन के बाद फिर शादी हो गई. बहुत खुश है हम लोग, मतलब सर्कस से हटकर एक मतलब कुछ और ही कर रहे हैं. इसके साथ एक्टिंग भी कर रहे हैं, ड्रामा है, तो हमें मतलब अलग ही फील है, एकदम बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. सर्कस में कोई लाइफ नहीं है, बाद में कुछ हमारे लिए कुछ है ही नहीं, करते जाओ बुढ़ापा में कुछ होता ही नहीं है, तो इसमें लग रहा है हमारा फ्यूचर है.
Few more numbers are to come. Let us have an interval.